Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the latest Mi wireless power bank announced in India. So this is the 10,000 mAh capacity battery wireless power bank which has this Qi certified wireless charging. So this is the box package. You can see that 18 watt fast charging via USB A port, then 10 watt fast charging via wireless technology, and two-way fast charging for this power bank as well. So this is quite similar to what we have seen on the Redmi power bank, which is also 10,000 mAh and it supports 18 watt and two-way fast charging. But the additional feature about this charger is that this is having Qi certified wireless charging capability. So this is the one. So this price 2,500 rupees. You can get it from mi.com. we'll share the link in the description of this video. So let's see the output rating and all the technical aspects. So 10,000 mAh capacity battery, USB type C, output port is USB type A, input is USB type C, input voltage is 5 volt 3 ampere, 9 volt 2 ampere and 12 volt 1.5 ampere. Wired output is 5 volt 2.4 ampere, and we also get a 9 volt 2 ampere, 12 volt 1.5 ampere max. Now wireless output is 10 watt max. So this is the Qi wireless enabled power bank from Xiaomi in India. This is the Mi wireless power bank. So let's open this and we'll show you how it looks. So let's open the box package. So there you go. So you get this manual, and you can see that how to place the charger, how to place the smartphone on the charger, either across or horizontal or the vertical way. So that's how this manual says. And you can see that all the mentions are the LED indicator, how much charge level, and all the details are included. So this is not the way to keep. You cannot keep it on the top portion or the bottom section or horizontally towards the side, so that will not enable charging. Or you need to keep it vertically or horizontally at the center portion for charging to work. So that's all mentioned in the manual. You also get this anti-counterfeit labeling as well. So let's just take this out. So this is the charger. We also get a cable. So this time around we can see that Xiaomi has gone with the USB type C cable. This is quite important because last time we saw micro USB cable included with the Redmi power bank. So this time you can see that it's a USB type C cable included. Now let's open the charger. So there you go. That's the charger. So you can see this is the wireless charger enabled mechanism. It's a Qi wireless charger. So you can see that there is one USB type A port for charging, and this is the input port. This is the USB type C port. So that's all, and then you get the power button to see how much charge is left. So you can see this is the charging left, and this is the place where you need to keep for wireless charging. Then you have the Mi logo, and the 10,000 mAh capacity is mentioned here. Now let's test this with a wireless charging enabled smartphone, and then we'll show you how it works. So right now we have this. Let's just charge it with a wireless enabled phone. So right now we have with us the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. So this has support for wireless charging. So let's see how this works. So right now you can see that fast wireless charging. So that's how this works. Now if you keep it horizontally, that way also works. So these are the two ways you can keep it. So that's how the wireless charging works. Now you can see that this is in action. So this is fast wireless charging is in action. So this is the Mi wireless charging power bank unboxing and hands-on. So this is now available on mi.com for a price of around 2,500 rupees. So if you have a wireless charging enabled smartphone, then this buying this makes sense, or else you should be going with the Redmi power bank, which is priced lesser. So unless you have a wireless enabled charging enabled smartphone, this does not make sense because it's priced higher at 2,500 rupees. So that's the unboxing and hands-on. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.